Hey friend, welcome to my Cape Cod life. My name is Rick, and today we're digging up potatoes. So let me swing the camera around, I'll show you the potato bed, and we're gonna cross our fingers and hope for a good harvest. So this is the potato bed going this way. There's a lot of weeds surrounding it. What can I do? So let's start to harvest. All right, let's see what's down in here. Little ones. There's another. Look around here. I should have more. Some little ones here. That's really tiny. All right, let's try up and in here. Not the biggest harvest, but hey, we get potatoes, right? So you see some have green spots that are too close to the surface. I just cut those off when I cook them. So yeah, that's what we have for a harvest. Well, there you have it. Like I said, not a big harvest, but we got some potatoes. There's a few meals for us in there, so that'll be good. I will weigh them and put it on the screen how much they weigh. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll consider liking and subscribing. And my friends who've been here before, I appreciate you so much. Please hit the like button. And as always, my Cape Cod life.